This video will guide you through reviewing a business partnership agreement. Business Partnership Agreement Review is a frequently requested service on the ContractsCounsel platform, since potential business partners want to understand the terms of the partnership before signing. If you have received a business partnership agreement as part of forming a new partnership, then this video is for you. Before we start, just a brief disclaimer. The following information is provided for educational purposes and in no way constitutes legal advice. For legal advice, we encourage you to consult a licensed attorney. We will cover top considerations when reviewing a business partnership agreement, key terms to find and understand in your agreement, and costs to hire a lawyer for legal review. We have also added a link in the description below with information on legal fees. Now let's get started. Top considerations for business partnership agreements. Business partnership agreements are legally binding agreements between business partners that can significantly impact your business operations. Before diving into specific terms, here are some top considerations to keep in mind. Partnership type. There are many different types of partnerships, all of which have different implications. Understand the type of partnership you will be forming and what those implications are. Entity formation. If you're forming a business partnership, you may need to form a new business entity. There are different entity types to choose from, which have different tax and operational implications, so learn about them. Compliance with laws. Partnership agreements should comply with relevant state laws and regulations. Consulting a lawyer licensed in your state can help verify that the agreement is legally compliant. Consider hiring a lawyer. It is always recommended to hire a lawyer to help review a partnership agreement. They can ensure the contract is legally compliant, help you understand industry standard terms, and coach you on negotiations. Key terms to understand. Business partnership agreements contain many important terms that you should understand. Here are some key terms to look for. 1. Partnership structure. This should clearly state the type of partnership and the implications for liability and management. Find this section and make sure it aligns with your understanding. 2. Roles and responsibilities. Find the section that defines the roles, responsibilities, and authority of each partner. Make sure this is clearly stated and written, so there is no misunderstanding. 3. Capital contributions. If there are capital contribution requirements, specify the initial and additional capital contributions required from each partner. 4. Profit and loss distribution. Find the section that outlines how profits and losses will be shared among partners. Make sure these align with your expectations. 5. Decision-making process. Find the section that details the decision-making process, including voting rights and procedures for resolving disputes, and make sure you are happy with it. 6. Exit strategy. Make sure there are terms for exiting the partnership, such as buyout provisions and conditions for dissolution. 7. Non-compete and non-solicitation. If there are any restrictions on partners regarding competition and solicitation of clients or employees, make sure you find them and understand them. 8. Confidentiality. Identify any requirements to keep information confidential and understand what information this includes. And 9. Dispute resolution. Review the methods for resolving disputes such as mediation, arbitration, or court litigation. Average costs to hire a lawyer. Hiring a lawyer to review your business partnership agreement is always recommended. ContractsCounsel's marketplace allows you to post your project and receive competitive bids from lawyers to compare. Based on our data, the average cost to review a business partnership agreement is $550 on a flat fee. This is based on 300 recent projects. Legal fees can vary based on the following factors. State or location. Lawyer fees may vary based on where they are located. For example, a lawyer in New York City will likely have a higher rate than a lawyer in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Length of agreement. Given lawyers traditionally bill by the hour, an agreement with more pages will require more of their time, which can make the legal costs higher. Complexity of terms. If there are complicated terms in the agreement, it can increase legal fees since it will require the lawyer to spend more time working on the project. Reviewing a business partnership agreement is critical in making sure you protect your rights and ensure successful business operations. If you need help from an experienced lawyer, feel free to search Contracts Counsel or visit ContractsCounsel.com and post a job to get quotes from lawyers to help you. Thanks for watching.